So guys, for the first method, you want to do Control, Alt and Delete on your keyboard. And now this should come up. You want to click on Task Manager. And now once you're in Task Manager, you want to make sure you're on the Processes tab. Now you want to look for Windows Explorer. You may need to scroll down to find it. But once you find Windows Explorer, you want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to scroll down till you find Windows Explorer again. Here it is. Once you find it, now you want to right click on it and then click on End Task. And then your screen should go black. And now you're going to select Run New Task. Now you're going to type in explorer.exe. Click on OK. And now your screen should return to normal. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you're going to click on Run New Task again. Now you're going to type in cmd.exe. Now you're going to select Create this task with admin privileges. And then click on OK. Now once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on Enter. Then you want to run the scan. And then you want to wait for the scan to be fully completed. Once it's been fully completed, you want to do Control, Alt and Delete on your keyboard again. Then you want to select the power button and then click on Restart. And now for the next method, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to quickly turn it back off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, it will then take you into this screen. And now once you're on this screen, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. And then click on Restart. Wait for this to load. And then once you're on this, we're going to enable Safe Mode. So you're going to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4. Wait for this to load. And then once you're in Safe Mode, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.